In this video, I'm going to be drawing 3 celebrities' eyes, but I won't reveal who the celebrities are. If you can guess all 3 celebrities correct, you can win a drawing of your eye made by me. Just comment the 3 celebrities plus your Instagram handle. And that's it. Now let's draw some eyeballs. We are gonna start drawing the first eye. See if you guys can guess who it is. Eye is very glossy. When you are working with a glossy eye, it's really important to get in all of the highlights. That's what's really gonna make it look glossy. I wonder if anyone has been able to guess who it is yet. Do you guys know who this is? Lastly, I'm gonna go in eyelashes. So that is the first eye done. We're gonna go and do the second eye now. Make sure to comment what celebrity you think it is. So let's start with the sketch. I'll try and do a blue eye next. Okay, that is the second celebrity eye done. If you think you know whose eye this is, make sure to comment. Now time to do the third and final eye. This is blue eye this time because all the other ones have been brown. That is all of our celebrity eye drawings done. Make sure to comment who you think it is. We'll see how many of them you can get right. If you don't know, maybe even just guess, because you never know. You might get a really lucky guess. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see more of these types of videos, make sure to subscribe, and bye!